Hello, ladies and gents. This is Patti. Thank you for popping on. I am about to show you some items that I ordered from Bath and Body Works, and we're going to unbox everything. So here is the box, and it's open, and we're going to look at the goodies that I have. I ordered lots and lots of hand soap. This one is Pure Wonder. Pure Wonder. And it smells really, really good. This one is Sunshine and Lemon. Look at that. I love Bath and Body Works hand soaps, hand wash. This one is Peach Bellini. And we have here Winter Berry Ice. Winter Berry Ice. Winter Candy Apple. Winter Candy Apple. And Christmas Morning Mimosa. Christmas Morning Mimosa. These are great smelling soaps. I just love them. Merry Christmas with Candy Apple. More Candy Apple. Merry Christmas with Candy Apple. And the last one is, I have 2 Peach Bellinis. I ordered 2 of those. And these are 8.75 ounces. Also, I ordered some candles, and they smell amazing. This is Fresh Balsam. Look at that. And it is green, 1 wick. And the other one is, let me take it out of the box. Hold on just a second. This one, I have 2 Fresh Balsam. 2 of those. And I have, let's see what this one is. It is Lemon Rosemary. I can't wait to burn this one in my kitchen. Lemon Rosemary. And they're all 1 wick. And that completes my haul from Bath and Body Works. And just wanted you to see what I have here. And I can't wait to burn my candles and to use one of these hand soaps. I don't know which one I'll use first. Maybe it's going to be a Christmas scent. Maybe the Winter Candy Apple. I might use that one, or Christmas. Well, I'll save the Christmas Morning Mimosa. Maybe I'll do the Winter Candy Apple. It'll be 1 candy apple, but these are the different soaps again. A recap. Awesome, awesome. And thank you so much for joining me. Please like, share, subscribe. Tap the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. I thank you so much for all of the love and the support. And I will talk to you on the next video. Bye now.